Okay, just trying to adjust the thing with the Python scope that just came in. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I'm sure eventually I'll figure it out. Like, you can clearly see stuff. Figured this would be a bit better quality, but I'm just figuring it out, so it'll be some time before I can get actual clear footage with this sort of thing. It's just big old situation. Tried to tap on this to focus, but I don't know what's doing. Break. Oh, okay. Okay, let's not do that. Refresh. Just, I don't know. I'm figuring it out. Saying move back to focus. This is supposed to be here. I guess the phone is just not compatible with this sort of thing. That's probably the issue. But the phone's heating up because it's hot as hell. Although today we're not looking at a high in the triple digits, we're looking at a high at 99. Yeah, it's not really much improvement, but we're back in the triple digits tomorrow, so it doesn't really matter. Trying to figure this out. I think that's as clear as it's gonna get until I research how to use it. Or it would probably say in the freaking owner manual thing that comes with the box. Yeah, I think it's mostly friendly with iPhone because, yeah, of course it is. iPhone got to monopolize on everything. Got lifetime warranty. Okay, it's fully stretched state. Even more so with that little bit. Okay. I need this here because if I were to connect a tripod, it's like people are able to do stuff with this, but I gotta figure it out. It's mostly hard to focus because the phone is hot. This will probably be easier to use in the winter when it's not so hot. So, yeah, this is gonna take some time. To get used to. Because I had to take off the phone case to make it fit. So, that's fun. But yeah, I'll get this figured out and get more official videos out on it. So yeah, stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.